You must have seen these videos in your TikTok For You page.
This is a new name list trend which is trending on TikTok nowadays. Watch this video till the end to know all about this trend. So let's start with the video. The new love trend by the name of name list trend has been trending on TikTok this week.
It's one of many love trends circling the app right now.
The TikTok users are revealing who they love using numbers with the help of this new name list trend.
In this trend, TikTok users are using a list of popular names, and you can choose whether you want to use one with male or female options.
If you want to do this trend on TikTok, just follow these simple steps. First of all, you have to find a list of names. For this, you can go to any web browser and search for images by typing in boys names list or girls names list.
Take a screenshot or download the image you want from here. Or you can screenshot from the TikTok videos, or create your own if you can't find one with the right name.
After this, open any editing application you have. Then go to New Project and add your photos. Then go to Add Audio and add the audio you have. If you don't have the audio, you can get it from the link given below in the description. And now set photos to the time duration of 4, 3 and 4 seconds. Now set format 916 and then a text. That is, write the name number from the name list.
Now place the text and apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.